Things are looking great so far. For Joplin specifically, we've got soccer and t-ball registration open. The department's already recruiting lifeguards, and they're working out the details of camps for this summer. And while last year threw all sorts of obstacles at Joplin's Parks and Rec department, they're using what they've learned to gear up for spring and summer 2021. And that also means they're continuing to implement many of the things that worked well.
We're still keeping a lot of precautions that we had last year in the forefront of our minds or using them for the activities that we're doing.
Yeah, well, a great example are the recreation kits that they've been making available to the community. Available on the first day of each month, each bag comes with supplies for all sorts of at-home activities. And they originally started as just a one-time thing back in the fall, just as a fun way to break up the weekend with a friend or family member's help. But kids liked them so much that they decided to keep it going. Now, all you have to do to get one is register either over the phone or online, and with today being the first of the month, they're being given out to anybody who registered beforehand. But if you didn't get one, do not worry. Just give the department a call, and if there are any still available, they will be happy to make sure that you get one too. We'll have that info on our website. We'll be right back on the KOA Morning News right after this.